Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, let's go to project and right mouse import file. Select this card and select here import as footage. Click import. Again select here footage, click OK. And again right mouse import file and select this hand. And right now let's select this import as, select here compensation and analyze sizes. Click import. Okay, let's see, we have compensation here. Let's again import. Select this payment terminal and again compensation at analyze size. Click import. So in this time let's open payment terminal and change compensation size, right mouse compensation settings and change full HD. Okay, so let's click OK and click this icon for black background. Nice, and select this hand layer. Let's open compensation. Select these all these layers. Let's copy, Ctrl C, and let's close this render queue. Okay, after copy these files back to payment terminal and Ctrl V for paste and put here. Let's select this finger. Let's link to hand 2. Select hand 2, link to hand 1. Select hand 1 and go to pen behind. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and press S, open scale, change scale like this. Let's move to down. Okay. So right now let's hide these hand layers. And let's create new null object. Right mouse, new and null object. For move the anchor point center, again go to pen behind, hold Ctrl, double click like this. Click selection tool and select this payment terminal and button, layer display, layer reflection and paper, line 4, 3, 2 and 1. Link to null object. Select null, move to behind hand layer 2 and let's see. Okay. So let's select these all payment layers and select here none for unlink. Select this null object and move to center like this. Again select these payment layers. Let's link to null object. Select null. Let's see. Okay. So right now let's press S, change scale 0. Make scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change scale 110. Go to 10 keyframes again. Let me show next way for go to 10 keyframes. Click time duration. Right here plus 10 for go to 10 keyframes. Click OK and change scale 95. Go to again 10 keyframes, change 100% and select keyframes, make easies or click F9. Let's animation. Nice. So go to first second, select this null, hold shift, press R, open rotation and make rotation keyframe, change rotation 16 and go to next keyframe, change -8, go to 10 keyframes, change 3 and go to again 10 keyframes, change 0. Select rotation keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, so let's select the second keyframe and let's change rotation a little bit like this. Nice. And in this time select this null object, hold shift, press P, make new person keyframe and go to here and move to left. Select these two person keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor, select this graph and make smooth like this. Nice. Back to keyframes, select last keyframe, move to right for more slow animation. Okay, so in this time select these hand layers. Let's enable and select this hand 1, press S, change scale a little bit like this. Okay, and select these hand layers, move right, and select this hand 1, press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe, chain rotation like this, and go to 10 keyframes, change like this, again go to 10 keyframes, change -10, again go to 10 keyframes, change 5, and again change 0. Select keyframes, make easies, and select work area. Let's see. Nice. So go to first second, hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe, move to down, and go to next keyframe, move to up, and go to next keyframe again, move to down, and again move to up. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's say animation. Okay, so let's select this card layer, move to inside payment terminal compensation, select this card AI. I want to delete these reflection layers. Let's right mouse and go to reveal and select here reveal in explore. Okay, let's open card compensation. Okay, so let's select this reflection layer and hide. Go to file and save. So that's all. Back to After Effects. Here we go. Select this card, move to right, and press S, change scale, and press R, change rotation, and put here. Select this card, move to behind finger layer. Okay, so let's see. Okay, don't forget to select this card layer and link to hand 1. Okay, let's move to here a little bit. Nice, and in this time let's go to some keyframes and change rotation like this. And here let's make new passing keyframe, go to next keyframe, move to back. Let's see, let's move to back more. Okay, and go to next keyframe and put here. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this null object, and in this time go to next keyframe, make scale keyframe like this. Okay, so in this time make new passing keyframe, new rotation and new scale, and go to here and select this null object. Let's put here and change rotation. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, move to left, and select this payment terminal. Let's see, let's go to solo. Okay, and Control D for duplicate, change name, mask, and go to solo. Let's go to pen tool. I want to make bit mask. Let's make mask like this. Okay, clickation tool and unsolo. Select this mask, move to up like this. Okay, let's say again. Nice. So select this last position keyframe and put like this. Let's say animation again. Okay, and go to here, make new passing keyframe, and go to next keyframe, move to back. Nice, and in this time, select this card layer, go to edit and split layer or Ctrl Shift D, and select this card duplicate layer and change link to null. Let's see. Nice. And in this time, select this card. Let's press A, rotation, make rotate keyframe, and go to here, chain rotation like this, and hold shift, press P, go to back, and make new passing keyframe, go to next keyframe, move it down like this. Okay, let's see. Nice, select these keyframes, move to left for fast animation. I want to more fast. Let's select keyframes and move to left. Nice. Select this layer green button and let's move up. Okay, and after put card, select this button and let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Move it down, go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Select first keyframe, copy paste. Okay, say keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Nice. So in this time, let's select this null object and make new passing keyframe, make new scale and rotation. Go to here and move to center, like this. Okay, so let me show how to fix this problem. Let's go to back and select this card duplicate layer and link to null object. Let's see. Nice. Let's enable here title action save and select this null object last position keyframe. Let's move to center like this. Okay, select these keyframes for button and move to right. And let's select this line 1, line 2, 3, 4 and move it up like this. Okay, we can make animation for these lines and select this paper. Let's enable, close all these keyframe settings like this. Okay, so select this paper layer and let's zoom to here and select this paper and payment terminal. Let's go to solo and select this paper. Let's press P and go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to back here and move it down like this. So let's see. Okay, in this time we can move to left middle keyframe. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's create new layer, solid layer, and add name mask. Click OK. And press T, change opacity, and move to here, up to paper. Okay. And go to pen tool. Let's make easy mask. Let's go to back and make mask like this. Okay, equalization tool and change opacity 100%. And select this paper, go to here. If you not see this part, click toggle switch modes and change none to alpha inverted matte. Let's see. Nice, very good. Let's see this part. Okay, that's good. And select this mask layer, link to null 1. Okay, very good. So let's unsolo paper and payment terminal. Okay, that's good. So right now let's select this paper and press U. Let's see timing. Okay, timing is good. And let's select this layer display and reflection. Let's move to up and select displays and move to behind line layers. Okay, and select this paper and mask, move to up. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this layer display and Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this reflection, move the middle to display layers and change none to alpha matte. And let's go to back. Okay, press P, make new passing keyframe, move to left and go to here, move to left like this, and here move to right, and say keyframes, make easy's, let's say animation. Okay, and in this time make new passing keyframe and go to here, move to left, let's see, nice. And right now make new passing keyframe, go to Fave keyframes, move to right. Okay, and here make new passing keyframe again, go to next keyframe and move to right. Let's animation. Okay, that's good. So let's add background layer. Right mouse, new and solid layer. Add name background, click OK. Move to behind solid layer and go to FX presses, search effect gradient ramp. Select this gradient ramp, let's use for background, and change start color blue and end color light blue. Click OK and change ramp shape radial ramp and click swap colors and select this point, move to down like this. Okay, very nice. Also we can add some shape elements. Go to window, open animation composer 3, starter precoms, shape elements, and let's use particle firefox. Click add, close window. Let's see, nice. Move to left a little bit, and here again Ctrl D for this compensation, move to right and put here. Let's see, nice. Okay, we can add some text here for motion design animation style. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.